Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2012 Kia Sportage CRDi 3. So this is the quite a high specification car, up the 1, 2 and 3 being the best. So this car has satellite navigation, it's got panoramic sunroof, full leather interior. So yeah, sitting on the lovely larger diamond effect 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, car's finished in metallic black paintwork, and as you can see in this sunshine, all the silver and the gold glisten. And as I say, the 18-inch wheels are in super condition to say that this is now a 10-year-old car. Now, this Kia Sportage has got to be arguably one of the best SUVs on the market. And when you look at the reliability and the size that these vehicles are, they're wonderful family cars. Two of my relatives do have these cars. Panels are all in super condition, as you can see, with the paintwork being in black, and as again the alloy wheels are in great order for 10 years old. Looking down the side of the car, we've got the privacy glass in the back, we've got a very large boot, parking sensors on the rear. This is the Eco Dynamics fuel efficient friendly engine. And look at that for a boot. Super, you'll fit everything in there. Opening the boot floor, you've got a factory brand new alloy wheel. Look at that, never even been on that tyre. So that's a bonus, isn't it? We've got a really roller blind that covers up the load area, and then if you've got any valuables, nobody can see them. Popping the boot down, we can see the parking sensors in the lower part of the boot, and that is a really easy car to park. Very nice to drive, loads of brake horsepower, torque on is nice, so fully loaded with the kids and everything else that goes with family life. These are an all-round superb car. Chrome detailing down around the windows, and then the silver bars on the roof just add to the vehicle. Now, when we open the door, we're greeted by this lovely black leather interior with the white contrast stitch, which is in superb condition for the age of the vehicle. That then follows through then onto the door cards, and then we get 4 electric windows, remote central locking, power folding door mirrors also. Jumping into the vehicle, we've got 87,264 miles. Let me just start her up there. You'll see that there is no warning lights or anything on the dashboard. A super condition car with, I think there's 10/11 service stamps in the history of this vehicle. Being a top of the range car, we've got heated front seats, and we do have heated rear seats as well. How's about that for a bonus? USB auxiliary 12-volt socket, digital climate control, air conditioning. Switching on the media system, we're greeted by this screen, which just press agree, and then we've got satellite navigation, parking sensors, radio, media player, and a CD, Bluetooth, so we can have a Bluetooth function. But a lovely car. There we have the panoramic sunroof, so we can see the roof. Great for the kids if you go to Blackpool Lights in October. You'll have a really great experience there. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper doesn't smoke either. The car is lovely, fresh, clean, well maintained. As I say, regardless of anything, it's just a very honest and lovely car. Multifunction leather steering wheel, Bluetooth answering on there. We also then have automatic headlamps and automatic wipers. Automatic auto dimming mirror also. So the level of specification in a CRDi 3 is as good as that in any Range Rover or Prestige Jaguar. But with it being a Kia, they are super reliable. Got to be one of the most reliable manufacturers on the market today. In the rear of the vehicle, you'll see then acres of space for the family. I do like the way that the doors virtually open to 90 degrees, so if you have got that baby chair or Isofix and you're clipping in and out, it's very easy to use. Great vehicle, lovely, spacious, as I say, twin sunroofs. What more do you want from a family car? In great condition, lovely order, 2 keys, book back, service documentation to die for. a great car. It'll go through our workshops and prepared to the highest standards before you come and collect it from ourselves in Wigan. But yeah, hand on heart, this is a very, very nice maintained car. Have a look on the pictures on our website. I've taken a picture of every service. The majority of them in its early life are at the Kia main dealer, and then it goes into the independent dealer network. Well serviced, 2 keys, book pack, everything you'd want from a family vehicle. Now, if you want to reserve it, give me a call. There's Graham, that's me, there's Dominic, my colleague, and Lee, my colleague. We're a team here at Alpha. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Put your $250 deposit down on it. That will fully reserve the vehicle for you, so you only have to come to Wigan once. If after that, once you've test drove the vehicle and you're happy with it, you can do a bank transfer into our account while you wait. We'll then do the paperwork, tax the car with you on DVLA's website, and off you drive home. If you've got finance or need finance, we can do all of that, pre-prepare everything so that you can drive home there and then. Okay, but thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.